Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a fabulous day. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some nightstands that I ordered from Wayfair, and I will be putting them in my bedroom, and I'm super excited about these new nightstands. I have really hated the nightstands and the dresser that I have in my bedroom for quite some time now because they are just a very unflattering color for what I have going on in there, and I needed something lighter and brighter, so I got these white ones with this beautiful wood inlay and the mirror in the back, and they are just so pretty. And I put some sparkly glass knobs on there and they look so good. I will link the nightstands and the knobs that I purchased separately in the description box below if you guys want to check them out.
Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
As you can see, I already have the nightstands in my room and set up, and they have been there for a few days now by this time, and my room has gotten crazy out of control messy, so I am going ahead and changing my sheets today and putting a fresh set of white sheets on my bed.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good.
You may also notice that the way I make my bed here is not the exact way that you will see it when I reveal the finished look. That is because I decided that I didn't like my pillows that way, and I changed them up, and that is just what I do. I am constantly changing things around.
Even this mark, but baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
Does making your bed count as a morning workout? Because it sure feels like one. Now get a load of that giant pile of laundry. That was all put there within less than 24 hours. I had a couple loads that I washed and dried, and then I just put them here in my bedroom, and I hadn't had time to fold them, so that is what I'm going to tackle now, is folding the laundry. It's probably one of the least favorite chores around the house that I have to do, is folding the laundry and especially putting it away, but it's got to get done. And of course it's summer, so we're going through beach towels and swimming trunks like crazy. I just wanted to take a second to say that I really appreciate you for watching my videos, and I would really love it if you would give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel, and if you would subscribe to my channel, that would be so awesome. Thank you guys so much.
I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I wore out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like holding your hand tight. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback, floating through the street like. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls in our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I wore out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Tomboy t-shirts.
And I'm sure you've noticed Buddy, our Boston Terrier, he is just 1 year old and he is our rowdy one, so he likes to go crazy, and I think he even got a hold of a piece of laundry and was shaking it around. He's so silly. Now I'm just going to do a little bit of dusting before I vacuum with my Caldrea Sea Salt and Neroli spray and get the room freshened up with that. And of course I have to vacuum, and I think vacuuming is probably my favorite chore. It's just so satisfying, and I absolutely love my cordless Dyson. It is just so convenient and makes it so much easier. I will link the one that I have in the description box below. You guys should try it. I'm serious, it will change your life. So this is what the nightstands look like in our room. I'm super pleased with them. They look so pretty. I was thinking about getting all mirrored ones, but I kind of chickened out at the last minute and just got these white ones with the mirrored inserts. I was thinking about doing a different color besides white, but this is what I got. I also ordered a dresser. Sorry, my window's open because it's such a nice day out. But I also ordered a dresser from Wayfair that should be arriving within a week or two, and I'm super excited for that because our current dresser is still that cherry wood color that does not go in this room, so I'm so excited to switch that out. I never show that because I just don't like it in here. So now I'm super happy that I have nightstands that kind of flow with everything, and they just look so pretty. So I will definitely link these nightstands in the description box below. I probably already mentioned that. But they were a great deal. I got them from Wayfair. The lamps I got from Hobby Lobby, and the artwork above the bed is from Kirkland's, and this tray is from Target. This throw is from Target. Our comforter here is from Antique Farmhouse, and I've also seen a similar one on Wayfair. The XOXO pillow is from Hobby Lobby. The 3 white pillows in front are from IKEA, and the 3 big ones in the back are from Target. And this white shag rug I love so much. It is from Wayfair. Our furry stool and this matching furry throw is from Target. The chair is from Target, and that big pillow that I just sat there is from Hobby Lobby. And then we have 2 full-size mirrors in here, and they are both from Kirkland's. They're not exact matches because I bought them for 2 different reasons, and then I just didn't have a place for them, so I put them both in here. I kind of just propped that up over there because I didn't have anywhere else to sit it, and it just stayed there for a while. And as you can see, our ceiling fan in the reflection of the mirror. My husband has to have a ceiling fan in here. That is like one thing that he just really, really loves. So we compromised and, I found this one at Lowe's, and it is still kind of chandelier, got chandelier vibes with the crystals and everything, but it is still a ceiling fan, and it's got a remote and everything. So that's what we have in here. But I can't wait to get that dresser and share it with you guys. I am super excited. Then I will show the full view of the room because this dresser just really throws everything off. It's just a big red blob in here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm so excited about these new nightstands, and I have a new white dresser to put right here on the way, and I can't wait to share that with you guys. And I'm so sorry that I did not get to post on Tuesday. I did have a really great video, but it kind of, I was not able to post it because, I don't know, I had a wardrobe malfunction, and it was really embarrassing, and I didn't notice it until I was editing the video, and I was like, I just cannot post this video. So I really hate that because we had decorated for my husband's 40th birthday, and all the pretty decorations were up, and I was taking those down, and I made an amazing dinner. But I will for sure do a whole big clean again and a dinner that I can share with you guys, and I will be posting it very soon. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please be sure and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!